wasted. Yeah, 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 yeah. I woke up this morning thanking God for another day. And I woke up.
Hi guys, welcome back. So as you can see from the title, we're doing a morning routine. This has been so highly requested. My face is so oily. I literally just got up. You know when you just get up and you have that morning face, that morning breath, everything. So I just skipped over the whole bed portion. It's pretty self-explanatory. I get up, like my alarm goes off, I get up right away and I get started. So the first thing I usually do is come to the bathroom.
So I just get my toothpaste and I go in and I start to brush my teeth. No, this look aggressive, I'm not gonna lie. Looks really aggressive, but I have to make sure some of my teeth clean. But I promise you, it's not as hard. I mean, and I use some black soap to just cleanse my face. You know, you have to have that fresh face. So I really get deep into my skin, as you can see. And then usually after this, you know, take a quick shower, because I mean we gotta get real fresh. I have to get very fresh, you understand? At least I love feeling fresh, so that's just me.
After I'm done with getting fresh and stuff, I come to the kitchen, basically put my water on in the kettle to get my tea going, because these days I really have to have tea. I've been hooked to all kind of teas, mostly bush tea and like garlic tea and such. So, and I also have to eat something. Well, I'm not the one, I don't have a hearty appetite in the morning at all. Sometimes I don't even want to eat anything, but I have to actually push myself to try because it's important, because I'm going to work out. I go ahead and just pop some eggs in some water to boil that.
It's me, 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 it's me. I am loving me.
And then I grab some stuff from out of the fridge because I need to make my protein green juice. So I do green juices like at least 4 times to 5 times a week. It's something that I'm hooked on and I have to get that done. But first I have to grab my Gatorade because this is what's going to help me through my workout today. And speaking of Gatorade, I have to thank Gatorade for sponsoring this video today. So shout out to Gatorade Jamaica. So yeah, I grab my Gatorade and I get, you know, my little ingredients for my green juice. Today I don't have that much greens. I ran out of my spinach. So I have kale, apple, mango chunks, blueberries, ginger, and then my protein. And then I'm going to blend all of that up. The kind of tea I'm having today is some bush stuff here. They're already in here already. I put the hot water on it, let that sit for a little bit, like 3 minutes or so. What I have in here is some Guinean bush, merengue, garlic, ginger, and the hot water. No sweeteners. I don't usually sweeten my tea. And let that go for 3 minutes. So while this is there sitting and I still have my eggs boiling, I'm going to go ahead and get started with my juice.
Sitting here thinking about all the things that you've been through. It wasn't easy growing up, but baby girl, you made it through. And I'm so proud of you. The you that you've become is beautiful. You're beautiful. I'd climb the mountain for you, swim through the ocean for your love. I just want you to know I'm down for the cause. You finally love.
I used some carrot juice. I added the apples, the spinach, added my mango chunks, my blueberries, and my protein. My protein isn't like the regular whey protein. So yeah, and I do my green juices differently. I don't follow one set like recipe. I use whatever I have that's green and just go with whatever tastes good.
I am loving me. It's me. It's me. It's me. It's me. You used to cry yourself.
Gatorade bottle. And I just pour my Gatorade in there. This helps me to endure my workout. And before, like before I'm ready to actually go, I put this in my freezer to just keep chilled, like really chill, because it tastes so good when it's cold. I know my mug says coffee, but it's no coffee in here, so I just kind of pour it through here. I have this with my eggs.
So once I'm done, I pretty much just go to my desk, and this is where I pretty much just browse through, see what's going on the internet. This is the time I usually listen to motivational speakers and stuff. It does something for me, you know? Just get into my emails, stuff like that, respond to those. Once I'm done with that, then it's time to go.
It's me. I'm loving me. It's me.
Once I'm all done, I get in the car. All my stuff are packed, as you saw, and I literally just head to the gym. And usually, sometimes I wear shades, like no. Sometimes I don't. It depends on how bright the sun is, because honestly I need it, but also have to stay fashionable. What are you talking about? Usually on my way to the gym, I have to find some of my favorite songs, and I have a party on my way to the gym. Okay, basically
I'm finally at the gym. Usually I just start off by doing a little bit of warm-up. I don't always go on the treadmill, but today that's what I'm doing. That's what I feel like doing. I'll do the stairs most of the time, but today I did a treadmill. I did this for like 15 minutes. I just walk, nothing too crazy, you know. And you know, while I'm on the treadmill, I usually, you know, just check social media, stuff like that. Helps to really pass time really quickly. And then I get into the main workout. So I'm doing kettlebell swings, and today is like glutes and a bit of upper body and a bit of abs. That's what we do on Thursdays, my trainer and I. So as I say, you know, Gatorade keeping me pumped right throughout this session, like no lie. These really burned. Okay, these really burned. This is a good modification for regular kettlebell swings, because when you get low, oh my gosh, and then you come back up, you feel that squeeze. Like, it's really good on the glutes, I'm not gonna lie, really good. So I love the way that felt. And I do like 10 reps of those 3 sets. I do 3 sets of everything that you guys will see me doing, and then I go into some push up and pull. Basically I pull that bag there, that 10 kg bag, after doing a push up, so it doesn't really have a specific name. So I do 10 push-ups for each set, and these burn. I take the same 10 kg bag, and then I go into some squats with it. It's like I pretty much flip the bag and squat. I'm not entirely sure on the name of this one either. But yeah, these burn, okay? And then we go into this circuit, which was like killer. This is like jump squats with box jumps. and it was like minimal resting. So yeah, this really gets your blood pumped, like definitely. So I did 3 sets. No, I ended up doing 5 sets of this actually. This one was like an explosive circuit. After all of that, I definitely need some Gatorade because, honey, I'm tired. And then we're going to some heavy lifting. This is the day that I usually dedicate to doing hip thrusters. When I do this, I usually do like 4 to 5 sets of these. This really, if you're looking for that perfect like exercise to help to really grow your glutes, this is definitely at the top of the list. Okay, I usually do like anywhere from 10 to 20 reps, but the heavier I go, the less reps I take, and at the last rep I usually pause, like what I'm doing here at the top, for like 10 more counts, and it burns. Even after you're done, like for a good 3 minutes, it feels like clamps are on your butt. No joke. So I love that movement. And then this was closer to the end. I did some like side leg raises, and I did kickbacks, but I didn't even get to like entirely get my entire workout, because trust me, this is not the entire workout. It was so difficult to like get all of it on camera, unfortunately. But this was actually the last thing I did for my session today, which was some abs. I did this in combination with some leg raises, which I did not get, but I managed to get this. So basically this is like some like lat crunches, because I'm using the lateral machine. That's pretty much it for today's workout.
I'm basically done with that gym session. That's how it typically is for me on a daily basis. I hope this video really helped you guys out, because it's been requested a lot. And by the way, I've been sipping on this ever since I got fresh after my workout session and I left the gym. This is what I have. So it wasn't fully green as you guys saw, but this is how it's looking. That's where it is. This is so filling, by the way. It's so filling. Like after I drink this, I don't want anything to really eat until like an hour after or so. So yeah, I hope you guys found this video helpful. As I said, shout out to Gatorade for sponsoring this video, and thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to go ahead and like, also share it, subscribe if you're not yet subscribed, and I'll see you guys in my next video. So until then, just go and make up on yourself. Bye.